Hey everybody, I'm Wendy Hutchins with Watkins Construction Roofing, and this is my friend Lurk the Leak. And while he is absolutely no fun on your roof, he's been a whole lot of fun here today at Squeeze a Day for the Seedsters with the mustard seed in Brandon. We've had a great day. We've had lemonade, lemon treats, we've played games, we've blown bubbles, we've danced. As our third year sponsoring this event, we really enjoy being here and giving back to the Seedsters who give so much to us just with their warm hugs and their smiles.
So today is our Squeeze the Day fundraising campaign here on campus. We kicked off at the 1st of April with Squeeze the Day. And what Squeeze the Day is, all month long, month of April, we've asked people to participate by hosting lemonade stands. All of those lemonade stands are to benefit the mustard seed. So what we're doing today is we're just celebrating that.
Thank you all for being here, and we look forward to next year.